Hello, it's Jess from my Stay at Home Adventures, and on the recent newsletter, I have said to you guys that I will create a video to show you how to use the 30-day Smart Money Habit Tracker. And that is a freebie that was sent to you, to our subscribers, um, via newsletter. But you can also download this freebie, I believe you can, in the subscriber library. So if you are a subscriber, make sure you visit that. Either check the previous newsletter or sign in and check the subscriber library because it should be there. And if you have any questions, again, just let me know. But the reason I want to show you this video is because I want to show you how you can use this um, printable to create good money habits. And the reason I created this is because I received about 3 emails in one day regarding how you can actually continue to budget. I think starting a budget it's easier for people sometimes, but it's keeping up with it that's the hardest part, which I get it because it took me a while to actually make a budget work for me. So stay tuned. I'm gonna switch it over to show the printable, and I will talk to you and give you my idea as to why I added this and what will happen next. If I'm thinking of actually changing the printable a little bit, and I will let you know where you can find it. So let's begin. All right, so here you have the printable. It's the 30 days smart money habit tracker. And this was a printable that I sent to you guys with the hope that it will help you guys stay on track. Um, I think was the hardest part for me was I don't not every budget or everyone budgets the same way, and I wanted to make sure that you knew that. So I will talk about that later. But here, the month you can write January. The reward. I always think you should reward yourself. Small victories, always. So then when you create a budget, always when you I don't know when you do your budget. I don't know if you um, budget bi-weekly, budget your paycheck, budget every week. I don't know that. So I created 4 circles here. So every time you create a budget, you will check it. And that's how you start your habit. You check it, make sure that you have a budget, and then create your monthly goals. Always have goals, um, but make realistic goals. Always make realistic goals. Um, so I put 2. I don't know if you were going to plan on starting your goals for the following month within the 30 days. So if that's something that's up to you, you can. So always have check this. Stuff your envelopes. I don't know if you do it weekly. Paycheck. This is up to you. So every time you stuff your envelope, make sure you're getting the habit of doing it. You check that off. Create meal plans. Again, right here. If you do weekly, monthly, I don't know. So I put 4 just to be on the safe side. And again, I will improve this tracker. This is my first time doing it, and it's actually I have to ask my friends to help me out and see what, because there's so many things too, but it just didn't fit. So I just wanted to keep it basic and see make sure that you follow this and it will help you, to save money. And then here is 30 days, and I wanted you to track when you eat out, because many of you have said that your problem is eating out. So even if you say your goal is eating out 5 times in 30 days or 3 times, just track it. Updating your budget is very important. If you track your cash, I hope that you don't wait until like the end of the month to track your budget. So get in the habit of tracking your budget. Check it every day if you can. I mean, if you're starting, just check your budget consistently and check it. Check it here. Shop with a list. Grocery, it is the number one struggle. When we did our survey, many of you, was the top one. It was how to stay on a budget, how to keep the goals, and grocery budget. Like that was a top 3. Like that was it. It was like actually almost a tie. So eating out is important to reduce your grocery budget, right? Shopping with a list will help you stay on budget. So shop with a list all the time. Every time you go out, you shop with a list, check it. Every time, create a to-do list, a daily one, if you can. Actually create the daily list the night before. So then in the morning, you already have your list ready. Always have it. I mean, seriously, always have a to-do list. If you're going shopping, make sure you have any to-do list. Make sure you have a list for your shopping. Make sure you check your accounts. Things like that. Always create a to-do list. Also, but in the same time, make sure that your to-do list, your daily to-do list, is realistic to you and works for you, not someone else. Don't go copying somebody else's daily to-do list. I'll let you know that. Next is pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time is important. It's very important. I have written about it as to benefits of paying your bills on time. So make sure that you pay your bills on time. This is a good habit to have. Always pay your bills on time. So make sure you check that. And I know you might ask why I put that there. Many of us, I remember I didn't pay my bills on time either. I was just all over the place. So this will help you to remind you to pay your bills on time. Check your account balance. I check my account daily. Every morning is a ritual. I check my account every day. Every day. So get in the habit of checking your account. So make sure you check it. Make sure you circle it and keep going. Track your no spend day. It's just an alternative here, but sometimes spending is a big issue that affects our budget. So track your spend days. If you want to keep it minimal, then go ahead, use this list and keep it minimal. Put money in savings. Make that a habit. I want you to make that a habit. Saving money should be a habit. If you have a saving goal, you need to make sure that you check that. I put money here. Pay yourself first. I can't even. I mean, we pay bills. That money saving money and paying ourselves should be first too. So therefore, always make that into a habit of saving money. Whether you use coupons, whether you transfer $20 into an account, whether you have cash, whether you did something with your sinking funds, check it. Get in the habit of saving money. So that's why I did that. And that's it. This is how the 30-day smart money habit works. And I hope it works for you. I will be updating this. And actually, a good friend of mine came with the idea to make something like that for groceries. So it will be more niche down and to help those who need more detail how to save money on groceries. I hope this tracker helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.